Did you know a 9-day-old baby died from whooping cough because she was too young to be vaccinated? In 2012, little Clara caught pertussis from an unvaccinated adult visitor. Newborns can't receive their first whooping cough vaccine until 2 months old, leaving them completely vulnerable. Her parents first noticed subtle warning signs: poor feeding, a slight cough, brief pauses in breathing. Within days, Clara's condition rapidly deteriorated. She needed intensive care and a ventilator to breathe. The 100-day cough killed her in just 18 days. This tragedy changed everything. Now pregnant mothers receive Tdap vaccines to pass protective antibodies to their unborn babies. Clara's death saved countless other newborns.